Hello and welcome to LOGIC ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we'll show you how to restrict the deletion of sale or sale return vouchers in LOGIC ERP. To enable this restriction, go to the LOGIC folder and open LOGIC Admin. Then, click on Global Settings and navigate to Sale Settings 2. Here, you'll find an option labeled Do Not Allow Sale Bill or Return Deletion. Check this option and save the settings. Make sure to restart the software for the changes to take effect. Now, let's see the result. As you can see, the delete option has been disabled. Once this setting is enabled, users will no longer be able to delete any sale bill or sale return voucher.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.